Hey everyone, I recently got this Bajaj oil-filled heater model RH9F Plus. Let's check out its review and demo. This one is oil-filled radiator heater and they do not drop the oxygen level in your room. You can comfortably use them even with the doors and windows closed. And the MRP is 16,299. We got it from Amazon with 45% discount for just 8,999. I've shared the link in the description box. So it's black golden color, gives a very elegant and premium look. Comes with 2 years of warranty and it has 9 fins, meaning 9 oil filled sections that radiate heats very well. Now you can see this large knob on top. This way you can adjust the heat from minimum to maximum. You see these 2 buttons which has LED indicators. They are for the heat settings. So turn on only the first button, it runs at 800 watt. And if you turn on only the second button, it runs at 1200 watt. And if you turn on both the buttons, it runs on full capacity, that is 2000 watt. And here you see a separate on and off switch at the bottom. This is for the side fan. It has 400W PTC fan that circulates the air. And to run it, you need 16A socket, the same type as AC plug. And it has manual thermal cutout and auto shut off thermal feature also. It operates very smoothly and silently, no noise at all. Dimension is 15 by 17 by 73 centimeter and weight is 12.02 kg, a bit heavy, but it has smooth caster wheels at the bottom. You can easily move it from one room to another, and this one is perfect for mid to large room size. If you ask me the drawback, there is nothing, but I just felt the cord is only 1.5 meter. It would have been better if it was at least 2 meter. Overall, the product is very good, no noise, and it keeps the room nicely warm. So if you are looking for a oil heater, give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.